Well, Casolaga used to say in their motto that it's you who makes Castle great, but I will say this afternoon it's the football fans who makes the beautiful game of football great. And right now I'm with my mother here, my badza, one of the best football followers, especially for Manika Diamonds. Game race anongaripo ndongoona chitera Manika Diamonds. Mama Unonzi wasemchona kumone Manika Diamonds wachiwina nyanya zvaita mzora nhasi.
Ndinofara ndikaona wachiwina wazukuru wangu ayo. Handiwanzi kuteera timu isikawini. Kashoma. Kwaona kutera kana ndikadaidzwa kupi. Timu inowina musoro anondidaidza.
Right, so tichitasa Manika Diamonds mimi. Itimu yekuti munotera ende mukaona chitamba. Muri kuona vakomana vasvika kure munyaya zvenhabvu kana kuti?
Vanosvika kure. Nekugona vanosvika kure. Noti ndakatera masini acho wakaenda kure. Iyo adikawa wanaenda futi kure.
Alright, thank you, Mama. Yeah. Right, there you heard her saying that I followed the seniors and they were promoted to the Premier League. Yes, for sure, last year I used to see Manika Diamonds seniors, that is in Division 1, and they were promoted. So, does this so to say that Manika Diamonds juniors this year, because she's following again, that they will be promoted? I don't know, and I'm sure you don't know, but only God knows. But all I can say is that love is not love until you give it away. It's bye-bye for now.